Welcome back, guys. I am going to be showing you how I got this natural dramatic look. This look was very fun. I hope that you guys are able to see exactly what I was doing in the video because I did mess up a bunch of time. I'm gonna do more makeup tutorials for you guys so that you can kind of see like the looks that I just make up off the spot. If you guys want to see how I achieved this beautiful natural dramatic look, stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Stay tuned. All right, we're about to get into it. Bye. Okay, guys, for moisturizer, I'm going in with the Nivea. I'm going to take my Fenty powder and my powder brush, and I'm going to pile that powder on there. I got this technique off TikTok, and I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs primer, and I'm just going to take a little bit and rub it together and pat it on my face, just like that. I'm going to go in with the Cream of Nature Edge Control and put it on my brows, and I'm going to brush it through with the eyebrow brush. Taking the powder brush, I'm just going to pout that Fenty powder on there. I'm going in with my Morphe palette, and I'm going to take that color at the bottom, that's that brown, and just kind of work it through my eyebrows. And this is a really fast tutorial, so bear with me. I'm going in with the LA Pro Girl and my flat brush, and I'm just going to go underneath there to clear those brows up. Yeah, so make sure you blend it all the way through and down. In the crease, you're going to go in with your Morphe palette, take that yellow color at the top and your blending brush, and go in that crease. Make sure it's very well blended. You are going to take another flat brush and go in to your Morphe palette. That white color, take it and put it on top of your lid. And palette. So you're going to take that yellowy color and go back in to your crease and blend it out. Next, take a black eye pencil, and you're going to kind of outline your cut crease with it. So make sure it stops where the end of your lash stops. And this is where it kind of gets confusing because I went back in with a Nubian palette because I wanted the lid to look more natural, and I went in with a color that matches my skin. And it's at the very top of this small baby palette, and I think that it just matched better, so it looked more natural. But yeah, so I just went across and I just dabbed it a little bit across it and blended it into the black. Okay, so the second eye was much easier, but yes, go back in with your black eye pencil and outline your cut crease. Stop at your end lash. This time you're going to go in with a smaller brush and you're going to blend this black eye pencil out. Take your Nubian palette color and you can go on top of your eyelid, but make sure you continue to blend this black out and add more black eyeshadow to it. Yeah, like I said, this is a fast tutorial, so you can go in with a lighter color to blend out your brow bone. Next, you're going to take, I like to use this Magnitude eyeliner, but I zoomed in so you guys can actually see how I kind of did it a little bit. But yeah, it turned out okay. It turned out pretty good. So next, I'm going to spray my face with this Urban Decay. I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl to contour my face, blending it all out. Nice and blended is the way. So next, I usually use all three of these as my powder under my eyes, but I'm going in with the Bare Minerals, and I'm actually going to use that lighter color that's in the 3503 Morphe palette to make it a little bit whiter and more dramatic. Okay, so next I'm going in with my Morphe bronzer, and I just start on my cheeks, and a little technique that I've been using lately is I'll go in towards my nose and kind of go all the way out to my ear, and it makes it look a little bit more blended. Glow, I'm just going in with the Juvia's Glow, and it's a golden color. I'm just going to use a little bit because a little goes a long way. I'm going on my nose and on my lip and just a little bit on my brow. Instead of using blush, I'm going to use a color from the palette that's a little orangey because I wanted it to look very springy. Blend everything out. I'm going back in with the Fenty powder. And then if you ever have problems with your eyeshadow falling on your lashes, just take the black color in your palette and brush it over them. It should help it. Next, I'm gonna go in with a brown color on my lip, because you guys know I love that. Mesh your lips together, make sure it's blended. Now you can take any red that you have and mesh it together, make sure it's blended. Next, I'm gonna take that brown color that I used and just add a little bit more, and take your black pencil and outline your lips underneath. And you're all done. Look at that look, you guys. Like I said, this is probably the fastest tutorial I've ever done in my life, but thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Come back for quick and straight to the point tutorials, girl, because we got you. All right, love you guys. Bye-bye.